Hey guys, it's Winnie here, and today it's all about the lips. I'm going to show you how to pick your perfect shade of red and how to apply it like a pro. All the products I'm using today I found at my local Kroger, and you can find the same products at your local Kroger family of stores as well. Not all reds are created equal. There are specific shades of red that might suit your skin tone better than the others. So the first step is to determine your skin's undertone. I personally fall somewhere in the middle between neutral and warm. So if your skin tone is similar to mine, then you might be the same, but there's a few ways to figure this out. Take a look at your veins. If they appear more purple or blue, then you might have a cool undertone. If they're more green, then you have a warm undertone. And if you can't really tell because it matches your skin, then you might be neutral. You can also look at your jewelry. If you wear more silver, you're cool tone, or gold, you're warm. And if you can wear both, then you might be neutral. Here's an example of reds in different undertones just to give you a visual. The first one on the left is a warm red and it has an orange tone to it. The neutral is in the middle and it's like a true red. The last one is a blue and it has a hint of pink in it, and it almost looks like a berry red. So after you determine your undertone, let's prep the lips. My lips have been feeling a little dry, and you want to make sure your lipstick applies really nice and smooth. So we're going to exfoliate the dry skin with a gentle lip scrub. You can easily make this at home with some sugar and honey and work this onto the lips in circular motions to slough off the dry skin. Afterwards, you can just gently remove the lip scrub along with the dry skin, and you want to follow up with a moisturizing lip balm to really nourish your lips. This is the Simple Truth Organics Honey Vanilla Lip Balm, and it smells so good. You want to apply a nice layer of balm all over your lips and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes while you touch up your makeup or whatnot so that it can really sink in. Then just blot away the lip balm with a tissue and massage any leftover on your lips, and it should feel nice and soft. Before applying your lipstick, we're actually going to dot on a little bit of concealer around the perimeters of the lips to cover up your natural lip color. Just blend the concealer all over the lips, and this will give you a nice even base to work on. I'm also taking a small amount of powder to set the concealer in place, and this will help prevent the lip color from bleeding later on. Next is lip liner. You want to choose a liner that is the same undertone as your lipstick. The color doesn't have to be an exact match, just as long as it's close. I'm using this Maybelline Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner in Brick Red. I always start lining the lips from the center working outwards, so carefully trace your lips with the liner from top to bottom. If you're someone who likes to overline, start with where your actual lip line is and then build from there. Just make sure to be patient and use a light hand when you're doing this. When your lips are fully lined, you're going to fill it in with the pencil. This is going to make your lipstick really long lasting. This part doesn't have to be perfect because your lipstick will be covering it, but again, it just gives you a nice base. And make sure your lip liner always has a nice point to it. Some of them come with sharpeners like this one, which is really handy, and you can go back in and perfect the liner. The tip to your liner will help you get really precise and close to your lip line. And once you're happy with the shape of your lips that you've created with the lip liner, we can move on to the lipstick. For lipstick, I'm using the Maybelline Color Sensational Creamy Matte Lipstick in Rich Ruby. You can apply this with a lip brush if you want to be extra precise, but I actually like to use it straight from the tube, and I feel like it applies really evenly. So start from the center of the lips and work outwards. And because you've filled in your lips with a lip liner, you won't have to apply a very thick layer of lipstick. And I know this happens a lot, but to prevent lipstick teeth, just take your index finger and remove the lipstick from the inner perimeters of your lips like this, and it won't end up on your teeth when you smile. And finally, to make the edges of your lipstick look perfectly crisp and precise, we're going to take a tiny little lip brush and some concealer, and we're going to clean up the edges all around the lips. A little bit will go a long way, and it really helps to make it look perfect. This will also give you a chance to fix and erase any mistakes or smudges you might have made, but that is all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget you can find all of the products that I use at your local Kroger family of stores, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!